Ever found yourself scrolling through your banking app and wondered, wait, is this bank even from around here? Or maybe you've seen a Lloyds Bank branch and thought, that's a familiar name, but is it American? You're not alone. The world of finance can be a bit of a maze, especially when it comes to international banking giants. So, let's dive into a question that might have crossed your mind. Is Lloyds Bank a U.S. bank? Now, before we get to the answer, let's set the stage. Lloyds Bank is a name that carries a lot of weight in the financial world. It's a name that conjures images of traditional banking, of stability, and, for many, of a certain Britishness. But in today's interconnected global economy, where money moves across borders with the click of a button, it's easy to get a little confused about where a bank actually calls home. Think about it. We've got multinational corporations, international investments, and financial services that span continents. It's perfectly natural to ask, where does this money really come from? And when you see a name like Lloyds, you might instinctively associate it with a certain region, but then you wonder, could it be part of a larger, global network? So, let's cut to the chase. Lloyds Bank is not a U.S. bank. It's a British bank, with a long and rich history rooted in the United Kingdom. Its origins can be traced back to 1765 in Birmingham, England. Over the centuries, it has grown to become one of the UK's major financial institutions, offering a wide range of services from personal banking to commercial lending. But that doesn't mean Lloyds has no presence outside the UK. Like many large banks, it has international operations and subsidiaries, but its core business and headquarters remain firmly in the United Kingdom. This international footprint can sometimes blur the lines, leading to that initial question. You might have heard of Lloyds of London, which is a completely separate entity, dealing with insurance, not traditional banking. This can add another layer of potential confusion. They share a name, but they are not the same company. The important thing to remember is that while global finance is complex, the core identity of a bank often remains tied to its origins. Lloyds Bank, with its strong British heritage, is a testament to this. Its services, its regulations, and its overall structure are all based on the UK financial system. So, next time you see a Lloyds Bank branch, or see its name pop up online, you'll know it's a major player in the UK banking scene, not a US institution. It's a reminder that even in a globalized world, national identities and histories still play a significant role in shaping our financial landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.